Today, we are exploring the kingdom of fungi. These diverse and mysterious organisms play a critical role in our ecosystem. They differ significantly from plants in their mode of nutrition, relying on absorbing nutrients from organic matter instead of photosynthesis. This video will delve into their diverse role in nature and their impact on various aspects of human life. Let's see how fungi contribute to agriculture, industry, medicine, and more. Decomposers. Fungi are critical decomposers, breaking down organic matter into simpler substance. They play a vital role in recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. In agriculture, fungi like mycorrhizae, saprophyte, partnership with plants' root, break down organic matter, recycling nutrients back into the soil. Food web dynamics. Fungi are food source for many organisms, including animals, insects, and fungi. They contribute to the complexity and stability of food webs within ecosystem. Fungi in medicine, therapeutic potential. Antibiotics. Penicillin, a revolutionary antibiotic, was derived from the mold Penicillium notatum. Other antibiotics like cephalosporins also have fungal origins. Fungi continue to transform medicine beyond penicillin. Antifungal drug. Compounds like grisoflavin and amphotericin B are used to treat fungal infection in humans, effectively combating various fungal diseases. Statins. Lovastatin, a cholesterol-lowering drug, is produced by fungi like Aspergillus theraus, contributing to cardiovascular health. Immunosuppressants. Cyclosporin, derived from Tolypocladium inflatum, is used to prevent organ transplant rejection, allowing for successful transplantation procedure. Fungi in food industry. Fungi are industrial powerhouse. Yeast drives the production of bread, beer, wine through fermentation. Yeast, a type of fungus, is essential for bread making. Fungi are crucial in creating unique flavor in cheese, soy sauce, and tempeh. Fungi are used to produce alcoholic beverages, soy sauce, and vinegar through fermentation, harnessing the biochemical process of these organisms. Fungi produce enzymes like cellulose used in detergents and biofuels and organic acids like citric acid for food and beverages. Fungi as biocontrol agents. Pest control. Some fungi can control insect population, providing a sustainable alternative to pesticides. Weed management. Certain fungi can specifically target unwanted plants, offering a natural approach to weed control. Fungi in biotechnology. Bioremediation. In bioremediation, fungi detoxify heavy metals and pollutants, restoring contaminated ecosystem. Fungi help keep the environment clean. They break down pollutants and even degenerate plastics through biodegradation. Biofuel production. They are also used to produce bioethanol, a renewable energy source, showcasing their role in sustainable innovation. Genetic engineering. Fungi like Saccharomyces cerevisiae are models for genetic engineering. Challenges posed by fungi. Not all fungi are beneficial. Some, like Alternaria and Fusarium, damage crops, causing economic losses. Others, like Epidermophyton, infect humans, causing a skin infection called ringworm. And fungi like Aspergillus spoil food by producing harmful toxins. Fungi are nature's multitaskers. Their contribution to industry, agriculture, medicine, and environment are invaluable. Understanding fungi can help us harness their potential while minimizing their harmful efforts. Thanks for joining on this journey into the world of fungi. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends.